Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for easy, practical tech and the software tutorials. In today's video, we are diving into Kaspr, the powerful sales and lead generation platform that's changing how professionals find prospects and grow their networks. If you're in sales, recruitment, or business development, Kaspr helps you unlock contact information, automate outreach, and boost your productivity like never before. So we will show you how to use Kaspr and streamline your sales funnel even if you are just starting out. So let's begin by going to the main website of Kaspr. On the top corner, you have an option to book a demo or schedule a demo to one of the Kaspr's sales team. But of course, you can also sign in using your credentials, and the best option is to get started for free. For you to be able to do that, you need to enter your work email. Alright? If you do, one of the Kaspr's sales team will contact you if your request for the free trial access will be approved. Alright? But in case if you're not approved, don't worry, because we can still learn more about Kaspr by going to all these sections. We have the features, solutions, data, pricing, and resources. So these are enough to get to know more about Kaspr. So let's go with the discover one of the Kaspr features. That is finding contact data on LinkedIn, right? Because for one, Kaspr allows you to extract contact details like email addresses and phone numbers directly from LinkedIn profiles. So when browsing LinkedIn, you can use the Kaspr Chrome extension. I'm gonna show you how. So right now, I'm using the LinkedIn profile of our YouTube channel, and as you may see that we have other LinkedIn generation tool here. We have the Sales QL, we have the Wizza, and then there is gonna be another one here, which is Deal Front. So we have a separate videos of all these if you are interested to know more about other LinkedIn lead generation tool. All right, that you might want to check in our channel, please. So going back to the Kaspr, I want you to go to the Chrome web store, especially if you're using Google Chrome. All right, and then there's gonna be the add to Chrome section here. All I have to do is, if you can't find the Kaspr, you need to type in on the search extensions and themes. All right, so for example, I'm gonna type in Kaspr, and you would notice that the Kaspr is just here. Click on it, and I want you to click the add to Chrome. All right, click the add extension, and we're good to go. Wait for it, because that would forward you once the download has started. All right, now it would forward you to your LinkedIn account automatically. You don't have to do anything else. For example, we're looking at Anne Charlotte, the director of operations at Kaspr. Right, all I have to do is, at this point, is you're one click away from easy prospecting. Let's click the let's go, right? So we're gonna click on OK. And as you can see, that Kaspr has been already added to the tools or shortcuts here on your LinkedIn. All right, so we have again Wizza, Dealfront, Sales QL. Please check those videos in our channel. So we have the Kaspr. If you want to get all the telephone numbers and email contact for Anne Charlotte, I want you to click on the Kaspr dashboard. Right, you need to log into all of these and log in via the Kaspr. All right, and then the next that I'm gonna show you is the bulk enrich your data contact. All right, because for one, you can upload a list of names on LinkedIn URLs, and Kaspr will automatically add missing contact details at scale. So what it means that it is really perfect for cold outreach campaigns, CRM data completion, avoiding manual lookup. So I think of it as a way to supercharge your spreadsheets with verified data fast. Okay, and then there is going to be the integrate with key tools. Now, the good thing about Kaspr is that it connects with your existing CRMs and sales recruitment stack, such as you have here. There's enormous applications and third-party services like HubSpot, Salesforce, Pipedrive, Zoho, Bravo. So we have all of these in our channel. So if you're interested, please take a moment, look in our channel, please, and you would have all of these deep dives on these topics. Now, that means any leads you find in which you can automatically sync with your tools. No copy pasting required. All right. And then we're going to go to the solutions. Kaspr helps sales teams to identify and contact decision makers quickly. How? Because it helps you shorten research time, increase email and call outreach, and of course automate lead generation into CRMs. It's about getting more qualified leads faster, right? And then there is going to be the for recruitment. Now, recruiters use Kaspr to obviously. It also helps in reaching passive talent, not actively applying. Avoid delays caused by LinkedIn, email limits, and of course, it helps with recruiters connect and close top talent before competitors do by speeding up the contact process. And of course, there's going to be for founders. So startup founders or solo operators use Kaspr to do their own sales or hiring, build prospect lists without needing a big team, integrate easily with lightweight CRMs, because Kaspr is a tool that empowers founders to be more self-sufficient in outreach. All right. Now, if you wanted to know about the pricing plans here in Kaspr, as you can see, it offers a free plan. But the thing is, this is subject for approval, and you have to get all these limited tools and privileges. And if you wanted to scale up, you might want to go for the starter, which comes around 45 per user. The business is at 79, and of course the enterprise is a custom sales pricing because you need to contact the Kaspr sales team so that they could offer a tailored fit solution depending on your budget, goals, and needs. All right. Now, if you wanted to know more about Kaspr, we need to go to all of these resources at hand. Now, of course, number one in our list is going to be the blog. Now, with the blog, as you can see, that this is going to be, these are featured articles related to sales, lead generation, B2B prospecting, and using Kaspr effectively. So topics have like a cold emailing, cold calling, prospecting, LinkedIn best practice, and SDR tools. Of course, there's going to be the prospecting on demand. All right, so these are requested targeted leads based on specific criteria, industry, job title, and how Kaspr teams have system find these leads for them. It's designed to save time for users who want tailored B2B leads quickly. And then there is going to be a section for the, let me check that for you, podcast. So the podcast is we're providing the engaging audio content for busy professionals to learn while on the go. All right. And then there is going to be the customer stories. So these are known case stories section, how real users or businesses benefited from using Kaspr. So these stories build trust with potential customers and offer social proof of their tool's effectiveness. And last is going to be the Help Center, a self-service support area where users can search for answers to common questions, serving as the go-to place for onboarding and ongoing product support. And with that being said, and that's a wrap on our dive into Kaspr. If you are a sales representative, recruiter, or growth hacker looking to save time and boost results, Kaspr is definitely worth a try. The automation, accuracy, and ease of use give it a strong edge over more complex tools. That said, it might not be the best fit for those needing deep analytics or large-scale data scraping beyond LinkedIn. But for focused, efficient lead generation, it hits the mark. Again, if you found this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. If you have any questions about Kaspr or want to see a comparison with other tools, drop a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.